6. (14) is equal to 2 into 7 plus 0. Since the remainder is 0, the process stops. The divisor at this stage is 2. Hence, HCF is equal to 2. Euclid's division lemma or algorithm has several applications in order to find the properties of numbers. Let us do some examples. Show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q and every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1, where q is some integer. Solution. Let a be any positive integer and b is equal to 2. By Euclid's algorithm, a is equal to 2q plus r for some integer q greater than or equal to 0 and r equal to 0 or r equal to 1. 1. For r equal to 0. A is equal to 2q. 2. For r equal to 1. A is equal to 2q plus 1. If a is of the form 2q, then a is an even integer. If a is of the form 2q plus 1, then a can be any positive odd integer. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, or 6q plus 3, or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. Solution. Let a be any positive integer and b equal to 6. By substituting the value of b in EDL, a equal to pq plus r, we get a equal to 6q plus r, where 0 less than or equal to or less than 6. Now, by substituting r equal to 0 in equation 1, we obtain a equal to 6q. By substituting r equal to 1 in equation 1, we obtain a equal to 6q plus 1. By substituting r equal to 2 in equation 1, we obtain a equal to 6q plus 2. By substituting r equal to 3 in equation 1, we obtain a equal to 6q plus 3. By substituting r equal to 4 in equation 1, we obtain a equal to 6q plus 4. By substituting r equal to 5 in equation 1, we obtain a equal to 6q plus 5. Solving the above equations for a, we obtain a is equal to 6q or 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 4 or 6q plus 5. From equation 2, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 4 are the even integers. 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 are the forms of any positive odd integer. Verification. Assume any value of q such as 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to n. Substituting the values of q in equation 2.2, we get if q equal to 1, then 6q plus 1 is equal to 6 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 6 plus 1, that is 7, which is a positive odd integer. 6q plus 3 is equal to 6 into 1 plus 3, which is in turn equal to 6 plus 3, that is 9, which is a positive odd integer. 6q plus 5 is equal to 6 into 1 plus 5, which is in turn equal to 6 plus 5, that is 11, which is a positive odd integer. If q equal to 2, then 6q plus 1 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 1, which is in turn equal to 12 plus 1, that is 13, which is a positive odd integer. 6q plus 3 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 3, which is in turn equal to 12 plus 3, that is 15, which is a positive odd integer. 6q plus 5 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 5, which is in turn equal to 12 plus 5, that is 17, which is a positive odd integer. Similarly, for different values of q, we obtain the result as a positive odd integer. Problem 3 is that use Euclid's division lemma to show the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1, or 9m plus 8. Solution. Let a be any positive integer and b equal to 3. Substituting the value of b in Euclid's division lemma a equal to b cube plus r, we get a is equal to 3q plus r, where 0 less than or equal to or less than 3. Let it be equation 1. Case 1. If r equal to 0, then a equal to 3q, that is equation 1.1. By cubing equation 1.1 on both sides, we get a cube is equal to 3q cube, which is equal to a cube equal to 27q cube. That is in turn equal to a cube equal to 9 into 3q cube. That a cube is equal to 9m, where m equal to 3q cube, that is equation 1.1.1. Case 2. If r equal to 1, then a is equal to 3q plus 1. By cubing equation 1.2 on both sides, we get a cube is equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. As it is in the form of a plus b whole cube, we write it as shown. Now, by further solving, we get a cube is equal to 9m plus 1. Let us represent it as equation 1.2.1, where m is equal to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. Case 3. If r equal to 2, then a is equal to 3q plus 2. By cubing equation 1.3 on both sides, we get a cube equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube. As it is in the form of a plus b whole cube, we write it as shown. Now, by further solving, we get a cube is equal to 9m plus 8. Let us represent it as equation 1.3.1, where m is equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. Thus, from the obtained result in 3 cases, we can say that the cube of any positive integer will be of the form 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Four. Show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 4m, 4m plus 1 for some integer m. Solution. Let a be any positive integer and b is equal to 4. By substituting the value of b in Euclid's division, we obtain a is equal to 4q plus r, where 0 is less than or equal t or less than 4. The possible reminders are r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Case 1 for r equal to 0. A is equal to 4q plus 0, that is a equal to 4q. By squaring equation 1.1 on both sides, we obtain a square is equal to 16q square is equal to 4q square. This is in the form of 4m, where m is equal to 4q square. Case 2 for r equal to 1. A is equal to 4q plus 1. By squaring equation 1.2 on both sides, we obtain a square is equal to 4q plus 1 whole square. which is equal to 16q square plus 8q plus 1, which is in turn equal to 4 into 4q square plus 2 plus 1. This is in the form of 4m plus 1, where m is equal to 4q square plus 2. Case 3. For r equal to 2, a is equal to 4q plus 2. By squaring equation 1.3 on both sides, we obtain a square is equal to 4q plus 2 whole square. That is equal to 16q square plus 16q plus 4, which is in turn equal to 4 into